She said, make her put it in.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, light, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one is about OBO, Phyno, Olamide, Bado, and the rest of others. They stormed Akure for this particular concert, and he went lit all through. I'll bring into you the entire highlight of how he went down there. I don't know, the love OBO and others keep showing. It's so amazing. Poco Lee was there. Lots and loads of artists were in Akure to support. You could see top Nigerian celebrities were all available, and the turnout, they made it happen lit. Olamide performed, Phyno performed, Davido performed. They all did amazing there. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I bring you the video here. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, because your comments and your thoughts are highly welcome here on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
She said infinity. She said make her put it in.
Always talk about support and fan love relationship in the entertainment industry. I posted a video about Davido some weeks ago, and someone from the States said the love in Nigerian entertainment industry, the connection and the togetherness is just amazing. Yes, I believe and I support that word very well. Nigerian entertainment industry have come to understand that there is no need beefing each other. They all just have to work together to make this whole thing beautiful and continue to entertain their fans, and as well make their money off it. You know, this one was, we know this is December and a lot of shows are all over the places. So if you go for one person, it is the same person that will call another and come for your own too. This is how this whole thing is done. It's just about support, and this one became so lit out there with Davido, with Olamide, with Poco Lee, with Phyno, name it, with Superboy, Cheque, and the rest of others who performed and made the night wonderful. Anyway, the highlight was shot here, but I think you find out, you at least give you the update about what happened. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my